May balak ka bang kumuha ng Chinese tourist visa? Well, starting today, October 13, the Chinese Visa Application Center will no longer accept walk-in dahil meron na silang online visa processing system. Kung nakapag-fill out ka on or before October 11, I'm so sorry to say this, but kailangan mo siyang ulitin. Here's how the new process. Step 1. Online submission. Go to the official website here, create an account, and sign in. Complete your visa application. After that, just wait for your online email approval. Once approved, print your visa application certificate. Step number 2. Submit at the visa center. Pay on-site and in cash. Step number 3, collection of passports. And that's it! If you have any questions about Chinese visa application, feel free to comment below. Bye!